guide, I will be showing you guys how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to your profile page. Now here you're going to find the highlight section. Click on the plus option given at the top left. Select the option highlights. You will be directed to story archive page. From here only you will be able to add pictures to your highlights. As if right now there is no such way to add highlight on Instagram without posting on story. So there is a workaround. You can click on this plus option. Now select the picture that you want to add to the highlight. From here you can edit the picture. Then click on your story. After it has been uploaded, click on three dots. Select the option archive. Now this picture will be removed from your Instagram story, but you are able to add this picture to the highlight. Click on this plus option. Now here you're going to find that picture. Check in for that picture, click on next. Now give a title to your highlight and set it. The picture will be added to the highlight. Likewise, make sure you have enabled this option. Go to settings and activity, click on archive, click on three dots, click on settings. Now toggle on for the option save story to archive. So that's it. This way you are able to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.